Okay, the last bit of fraction work this week is multiply and divide in fractions, which both are probably easier than adding and subtracting because they're so straightforward. So when you're multiplying fractions, it is simple. It's as easy as top number multiplied by top number, bottom number multiplied by bottom number. When you've it multiplied out, if you can simplify, do so. If you can't, just leave it as it is. So our little example, 3/4 multiplied by 1/3. And it is as simple as 3 multiplied by 1 and 4 multiplied by 3. Now, 3 times 1 is 3. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So we have an answer of 3/12. Now 3/12 we can simplify down. So if we just take it over here, divide both by 3. Why 3? Because 3 is the highest number that divides into both of those. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So your final answer would be 1/4. Now, dividing fractions is slightly different. If you remember when we were in class, we learned the little saying KFC for when you're dividing fractions. So K represents, you keep your first fraction. So the first fraction in your question will stay the same. F is for flip. You flip your second fraction upside down. And C, you change your sign from a divide to a multiply. And then as you do with the multiplication fraction, top times top, bottom times top, bottom times bottom, sorry. So if we looked at this one, 2/5 divided by a half. So K, keep your first fraction, so 2/5. F, flip your second fraction upside down. So instead of it being a half, it's going to be 2/1. C, change from a divide to a multiply. And now it's as simple as doing 2 times 2 and 5 multiplied by 1. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 5 times 1 is 5. Final answer is 4/5. You do need to remember the KFC for the division one because it won't lead you into those steps in an exam question.